Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create a Gmail account without phone number or without phone number verification. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open Gmail application in your mobile and keep one thing in mind. This method will work only on mobile. You can create just one Gmail account on PC or laptop without phone number. But in this method you can create multiple Gmail accounts. So tap on Gmail application in your mobile. Now you will see your all email IDs you logged in on your device. Tap on email IDs icon top right corner of your mobile. Now scroll down. Here you will see a option of add another account. Tap on it. Now choose Google to create account. Now tap on create account and then select for my personal use and tap on next. Now enter your first name, last name. It is not necessary to enter your real name. After writing name, tap on next. Now enter your date of birth. Select gender and tap on next. Now you will be asked to pick a Gmail address or create your own Gmail account. So here I will select create your own Gmail account. Now enter here desired email ID and tap on next. Now enter password and tap on next. Now a new window will be opened in front of you and here you will be asked to add a phone number. Scroll down. Here you will see two options. One is skip and second is yes I am in. So tap on skip to create your Gmail ID without phone number. Now your Gmail ID has been created. Tap on next to finish the process. Now scroll down and read the privacy and terms if you want and tap on I agree to complete the Gmail ID creating process. Now wait for a few seconds and go back to your Gmail application. So in this way you can create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.